Wait. Oh, I killed that. What is up, YouTube? It's your girl Naya back at it again with another video. Today's video is going to be me showing you how I do my everyday makeup for school. So if you want to see how I accomplish this, whatever this is, then keep watching.
She wants Chanel, she can get it. Louis V bag and Dior her titty. They lock the door and we walk in finish. Say the hundreds, them doors be spinning. Real dope boy ain't charging no car. Blue G wagon, she already got. Real grown woman, she ain't post her body. Check price tags, you want it, you get it. You big dog a fan, you scared to admit it. Get 6 for a show, I'm hellin' in business.
Alright, you guys, we're about to start. I already have my eyebrows on because you guys know how I do my eyebrows. If you guys want an updated tutorial on how I do my eyebrows now, just let me know in the comments, but let's get started. Okay, so we're starting with a clean, moisturized face. Now we can get into the video. First thing I do is I conceal. I use LA Colors Conceal It. I got it like 2 days ago, 3 days ago, and I like it. I like how it looks on my skin. Like, I don't know, I like how it blends out. Like, it blends out really good. I don't like how it comes out though. It has one of these things where like it's like a straight applicator, but I don't like the way it comes out. Like, but I like the concealer though. The concealer itself is good, but the applicator isn't all that. Like, when I try to put it on, like it like won't come out. I don't know. That's why like it looks like this, because like I'm trying to like pull it down. I do under my eyes, and then I do my chin part, and then I do like my forehead part. Oh, that was a lot. Oh. Okay, so once you look like a palm tree on top, you're doing it right. You don't have to do it like this, but I mean, this is how I do it, and you know, it works for me, so you know, I'm gonna just stick to it. Okay, so then I blend it out, you know, with my beauty blender. This beauty blender is, I don't even know what the brand is called, but it's orange and it says RT on it, so if you know what I'm talking about, then and then you do like the little spots that you want to cover up, you know, little concealer. Let's get back to the video. All right, next thing I use on my face is this Fit Me Matte Poreless Powder. This right here. It is in shade 310 Sun Beige. Sometimes I will wear foundation to school. I really don't like it. I'd rather, okay, my brush. You know what? My brush broke and I never fixed it. So it's like this, and it happened like this. So I just kept using it like this. So it's like, this is how I use it. But for the video, I'm gonna put it back on. All right. Sometimes I wear foundation to school, but that's if like, I don't know. And then, you know, you gotta get your neck part. In the morning when I get ready, I always make sure I put my shirt on before I start doing my face makeup, because I'll put my face makeup on, I'll try to put my shirt on, and then I'll have makeup on the collar. Okay, now I just like, I go over it with a beauty blender, and like, after this I contour. I really just do like my cheekbones, and that's it. I don't do my forehead, I don't do my nose, I don't do none of that. I've had this for a minute actually. It's the L'Oreal True Match Powder, and what's crazy is I use this as a contour now, but like last summer I used to use this as a foundation. I used to put this all over my face. I don't know why nobody didn't tell me that is too dark for you, you look a mess. I don't know why my parents, anybody let me walk out the house like that without saying nothing, but it's okay, because I know now. Okay, I use this as like a contour. I use it on the, you finna see, go like that, you know, couple swipes is enough, really. If like you see how that didn't work, I'll get more and do it. This is like, it's just an angled brush by Elf. I like swipe it upwards, and like I keep going over it until like it looks blended enough to where you can't see all of that. Okay, so after it's blended out, I am going to move to this Voluminous Million Lashes XS. I like this mascara because it's very easy to wash off with water. So like when you're washing your face, it'll easily come off. You don't have to like rub it really hard for it to come off. It's very like, it's not waterproof, so it's very easy to come off. This is hard, doing my makeup in this little mirror. This is hard. I don't know how y'all do it, but this is hard. I can't see. So we're gonna use this bigger mirror because I can see better. Alright, so we did this eye, now we're going to do this one. I'm going to do the bottoms. Now we're done the eyelashes, I'm going to do my blush. This is actually like the first week that I've ever worn blush. I like how it looks because it makes it look more natural. What is this? I use Steve Laurent blush. Looks like this. Like this. The mirror is dirty, but it looks like that. I only put a little bit of blush on. I only put like a couple. I only like just do that. If it doesn't show up evenly, I'll add more. But like just that. It makes my cheeks like a little bit pink, but I like how it looks. Okay, so now we're going to highlight. I use, this is Malibu. It looks like this. I'm going to be using the middle one, and that is the gold one. I'm going to be putting a little bit, I'm going to put a little bit under my eyebrow to make it like, you know, so we can glow, sis. Sus, we finna glow. Alright. Boom. Okay, so we done did the highlight. Alright. Alright, so now we're about to highlight my cheekbone. Just wait. Alright, so look. Hold up. This highlight, really, it really be speaking to me, you know? It really be telling me like, wow, you glowing, sis, you glowing. Do your thing. Don't let nobody stop your bag. It really, whoa, it really look like I got butt chip on the side. Sorry, I'm all the way on the side, but that's where the light hitting right now. Alright, get that nose highlight, get some right here. Okay. Right. Do it! You better. Alright, so they're gonna put a little bit on the chin. Ooh. Ooh. Ah! We glowing. I think that's it. I really don't do much. That's it. Like, you know, we got a couple of, hold up. Oh, we need one more thing. Where's that? We need one more thing. Lip gloss. I'll be back to go get my lip gloss. Alright? Alright. We're back with my lip gloss. I'd rather prefer chapstick than lip gloss, but you gotta moisturize first. You know how you moisturize your face before you do makeup? Moisturize your lips before you put gloss on them. Alright, so after they moisturize, now you can. The lip gloss that I'm using is, I don't know how to say that. I got it in the little, you know, the little Ipsy bags. Okay, so this is my everyday makeup look. You know, I be going to school popping. If you like this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what video you guys would like for me to do next. I'm out. You like seafood? Hop up out the bed, turn my swag on. Okay, take a look in the mirror, say what's up? Hey, okay. I was looking for this makeup brush, it's on the floor. Period.